Well, hello friends. I hope you're doing well today. Dave McDonald here for another exciting episode of Dave McDonald's Quarantunes. Drawing cartoons with me to kind of pass the time. Nice little break from our e-learning every day. I hope you're enjoying this every day. I know I am. As you can tell, I crack myself up with my puns and I have some silly laughs, and it's just as much fun for me as it is for you. All right. So what I thought we'd do today is we're going to start on a brand new character. I'm over here on the side erasing something, if you wonder. Just erasing some pencil lines. I'm busy over here, trying to do two things at once. All right, so today we're going to draw a fun little character. I think you'll enjoy this guy or girl. First, I wanted to show you yesterday, just to wrap it up, I drew another Breakfastville villain, Count Spatula. And I just wanted to show you that I colored him. Because again, I'm having so much fun coloring. I really am. I love coloring. I hope maybe you're coloring your drawings too after you're done. But here's Count Spatula. I want to drink your orange juice. Of course, because it's Breakfastville, right? Silly Count Spatula. Oh my word. Okay, today we're going to start. Now, I don't know about where you are, but where I am, it's starting to get warm. And guess what I heard the other day? That's right, the ice cream truck. The music of the ice cream truck going down the street. And so I thought, this might be fun. I might want to make a character out of the ice cream truck. So let's do that today. Go ahead and grab a pencil, piece of paper. You might want to grab a pen as well if you're going to ink over your work like I like to do. But on your paper, here's what we're going to do. We're going to start with basically a rectangle shape, very close to a square, but a little bit longer than it is tall. And we're going to kind of round off this rectangle a little bit. So rectangle, like that, rectangle. All right, that's how we start. Now, with your pencil, we need a curved line. Put your pencil up here at this corner, and we basically need like the letter C. So, and watch me, I'll go back and forth several times because I know I'm going to erase these pencil lines till I get the exact shape that I want. Now, just to show you, there's what? I just drew about a dozen lines in there, but it's going to be looking more like this, really. It's a letter C, starts at this corner, right? Comes in and then stops right here about 2/3 of the way down, okay? Here's what we do now. Let's see. From here, we want a little bump out. So a curved line, like that. All right, then watch this. This is going to be the body of the ice cream truck. This is the windshield, watch. Slightly curved line out like this, with an eyeball. And the two wheels, see, this is all basic shapes. This is easy, right? This is a lot of fun. Okay, some oval shapes for wheel. Now I know wheels are round, but I like to make it as if it's in motion, and I'm stretching the possibilities here because it's in motion. I just like to make it a little wacky looking. So instead of you could put circles. You know that a tire is a circle, and I know that too, but I want to make them ovals just to give it a little bit of personality, some character, right? Kind of exaggerate. That's what we're doing. All right. So let's see. There's our character. Let's give him, if this is a character that's a truck and he's got a face, let's give him a little smile right here. Smile. Maybe he's got his tongue sticking out there. Even the ice cream truck is hungry, right? Oh, what's on the side of the ice cream truck? It could say ice cream, But I'm going to draw an ice cream cone because everybody can look at it and say, oh, that's ice cream. So a circle on the side of the truck. That'll be the ice cream. And then, of course, the cone is a what shape? You know, it's a triangle. So here's how we turn that into a cone. It does look like one already, but watch this. Just bring it down like this and widen it out at the bottom like that. Because the scoop, when it puts the ice cream down, just leaves a little extra like this down at the bottom. Right? Maybe some curved lines in here. Again, the scoop. And for the cone, I'm going to round it off a little bit. It's not perfectly pointy, I don't think. And then some slightly curved lines that go this way and then go the other way. Slightly curved to give it that cone look, right? Da, 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 da. Some little accent lines. Let's do the horizon line down here at the bottom. It's just driving over the top of a hill, right? Maybe down here there's a little tree. Real simple tree. It's way in the background. So it's a simple looking little tree. And back here he's moving so fast we've got motion lines. So straight lines coming off the back of the vehicle with some slightly curved lines running through them. Again, it's giving the illusion that the image is moving so fast that it's trying to catch up with itself. It's dragging behind. And maybe little puffs of dirt, dust kicking up. Our ice cream truck must be in quite a hurry. All right, well maybe, let's see, down here. I don't know, maybe another tree. All right, now let's get to the fun part, the inking, right? I love to ink these drawings. The top, and again, these were all simple shapes. So yours should look awesome. I'm sure it does. And now this is the windshield, right? What I like to do, if there's a windshield and it's glass, I like to give it some reflection lines. So I'd like to do this, a couple straight side-by-side lines, just to indicate that it's glass. All right. All right, our pupil, round pupil, with a little reflection in the corner. Again, you don't have to do that, but it does give a little life to your character, right? Little smile here, tongue, corner of the mouth, okay, front of the vehicle, big rolling tire. Again, they're not circles, they're not perfectly shaped because it's it's really moving fast. Again, you could have used circles. That would be up to you. But I'm giving it a more exaggerated, cartoony look. In motion, let's see, tree, way in the background. Again, this tree is very simplified. It's not the center of attention. It's just to give some perspective as to where our vehicle is, right? All right, let's see. I'll wait till that ink dries so I can come up here and do my puffs of dirt or smoke or dust. And our motion lines. And let's see, we got one more tree over here. Fill that in. Horizon line. That's pretty fun. Oh, don't want to forget our big tasty ice cream cone, do we? No. Now, I love ice cream. I really like milkshakes more than an ice cream cone, but I would not turn down an ice cream cone. I love some ice cream. I'll bet you do too, unless you're allergic to it. Now that would be, then you could have something different. I'll bet you have an alternative to what you might eat if you're not eating ice cream. Cone. The little lines of the cone. Is it a waffle cone or a sugar cone? What's your favorite? What I'm going to do here is add a little shadow beneath on the cone. See that? Because I'm guessing that the ice cream is sticking out over the cone. It's larger than. So see that? A little bit of shadow under there. Ta-da! There's our ice cream truck character. Now we can go in and erase our pencil lines. We used a lot of simple shapes to get going, didn't we? Yep, we used a lot of ovals. Seems like I do use a lot of ovals when I draw. They just help me get started. Circles. We use a lot of circles too. And to just kind of block out the basic shape to give us our basic shapes as we draw. Look at that. So I wonder if in your neighborhood you might hear this soon, the sound of the ice cream truck. Keep an ear open, you might hear it. Get these off of here. Clean that up. Oh, I have a little ink smear because I didn't wait long enough before I started erasing. That's okay. Well, there's our character, little ice cream truck. You could name your truck, right? We could put a little speaker on top if we wanted to that plays music. Lots of alternatives, lots of ideas that we could do. All right, I hope you enjoyed drawing your little character, your ice cream truck. Now I'm hungry for ice cream, so I guess I'm gonna have to go stand at the curb and wait for the ice cream truck. All right, until next time, be well, stay safe, and take care of one another, okay? All right, bye-bye.